You know they're good when you don't even bother finding a fork. I kind of feel like a broken record here, but hands down, one of the best things about the air fryer is that you can cook things in almost half the time. And that's exactly the case with today's recipe for these air fryer roasted potatoes. They turn out so super crispy, are cooked up in just 15 minutes, and they're also full of fresh garlic, lemon, and salty Parmesan flavor. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 pounds of baby red potatoes. You can also use Yukon Gold if you'd prefer, but I'd avoid using a starchier variety such as russet potatoes. If you have small to medium-sized potatoes, cut them in half, and then again into quarters to get wedges. You want the potatoes to be about 1/2 to 1 inch thick. If you have larger potatoes, you'll have to cut them into 1/6 or even 1/8. In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of either olive or avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. This gives the potatoes so much flavor, so don't leave this out. Also, if you don't already have one, these microplanes make zesting citrus so quick and easy. I'll be sure to include a link for the one I'm using here today. 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Once again, another handy gadget that I use for this is a garlic press. It's way faster than mincing. 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Whisk the sauce together until it's well combined. Add the chopped potatoes to the bowl and toss until they are coated in the sauce. You want to make sure every bit is covered so the Parmesan sticks to the potatoes. Once that's mixed, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and toss again until all of the potatoes are covered. While you can cook these up in a smaller 4-quart air fryer, it really is best if you use a larger 6-quart air fryer instead. This ensures that the air circulates all around those potatoes so you get those extra crispy edges. Also, with all air fryer recipes, you'll want to make sure and preheat it at least 3 minutes before you add in your food. In this case, we want to set ours to 400 degrees. Once that's preheated, add the potatoes and spread them out in a single layer. It's okay if a few of the potatoes overlap slightly. Cook for 14 to 15 minutes, flipping the potatoes halfway through cooking. You'll know they're done when the middles are fork tender. Serve the roasted potatoes with an additional 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Oh my goodness, they're so delicious with that salty parm flavor, fresh lemon and garlic, but with those ultra crispy edges. I am always amazed by what this thing can do, but you don't have to stop here. You can also check out all of these incredible air fryer recipes right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.